Strong bar, a bar that will protect interest of Kenyans, a bar that will protect justice. We want strong leaders for the law society of Kenya, leaders who are going to deliver matters public interest, leaders who are going to ensure that the judiciary is not corrupted, leaders who are going to ensure that the executive arm of government is kept under check through the doctrine of checks and balances, separation of powers, that was brought up by a gentleman called Charles Louis de Baron de Secondat de Montesquieu in 1748. We want to ensure that we get strong leaders from the president all the way, all the members of his council, who are going to ensure that Kenyans are not only inherently served, but also religiously served. And therefore, I wish all candidates best of luck. I know the best candidates will win, and even for those who will not win, it's not a contest of winning and losing. It's just a contest where all these candidates want to protect the interest of Kenyans. And I know that leadership is very religious. The person that God wants to win will automatically win. Any question? Or let me.
Thank you very much. My name is Peter Wanyama, candidate of LSK president. I am not allowed to campaign today. However, allow me to say the following a few remarks. Just make a few remarks. Today is an important day for the LSK calendar because we are electing leaders of the council, the president, vice president, and members of the council. So all I would like to say is to urge advocates to visit your respective polling stations in the Republic of Kenya and cast your vote for your preferred candidate for LSK president, vice president, and member of the council. Please remember to carry your national identity card to the polling station and or passport, and then vote your preferred person in a peaceful manner. Myself, I'm here at Milimani, just observing the voting process. I think voting is being done in a very smooth and transparent manner, and we're happy so far with the progress in terms of numbers. But we urge advocates to turn out and vote. Turn out and vote. The voting closes at 5, so please come and vote. If you're in Milimani, if you vote at Milimani, Milimani, if you are admitted after 2019, you're supposed to vote here at Milimani. But if you are admitted before 2019, you will vote at the Supreme Court. That is how the register has been characterized. So we hope that the voting process will end well. Thank you very much, and thank you very much indeed.
Collins Mango, General Member Representative candidate. First of all, I'm pleased with the manner in which IBC is conducting the voting process so far. Albeit the turnout is a bit low at the moment, we do understand that advocates are still attending to matters in court. So we are expecting a we are hoping so hoping that at least we can do 15,000 or so. So mine is just to urge my fellow advocates to come out and exercise their democratic right so that their voices can be heard. Thank you very much.
Charles Kajama Senior Counsel. I'm one of the 3 candidates for president of the Law Society of Kenya, the term of 2026 to 2028. And we appeal upon all advocates of the High Court to turn out in large numbers, express their will at the ballot box, so that we get a strong leader who can take LSK through the next 2 years. We also appeal to all employers to release their advocates who are employees so that they can come and vote. We also got communication from the Law Society of Kenya to the courts to facilitate the lawyers who are attending court to get time to come and vote. So we are very confident that that will be done. The process is extremely smooth. There are not yet long queues, so we appeal to those who are waiting to come to vote to come as soon as possible before the long queues form. Thanks.
Unless uangalie lady mwenye akona hiyo anajua kama ni milimani huko place kama ile NT unaona ukija hapa kwa NT unaona NT ni hii ndio hii maybe you are somewhere else. Jaribu hapa. Confirm kuangalia kwa ile mask. Thank you.
Labda uchaguzi unapoendelea umetembea labda maeneo kadhaa, uchaguzi labda unawaambia vipi wale ambao wanapiga kura uchaguzi uanze kitambo?
Very well. The campaign periods have come to an end. This is the 19th of February 2026 when the LSK national elections for the LSK Council as well as the Advocates Disciplinary Tribunal are currently underway in all stations in Kenya, approximately 56 stations where we have high court stations. Members will be voting in for the next council, the next Advocates Disciplinary Tribunal. I am one of the 3 candidates for president of the Law Society. I currently serve as the vice president. We are looking for a law society that will continue to champion for its members as well as members of the public. We are also heading into a national election cycle in Kenya where we will require a law society that can speak about electoral reforms as well as electoral preparedness. We surely hope that the lessons from Tanzania and Uganda will not be replicated in Kenya, and I am hopeful that today members of the Law Society of Kenya will speak and will speak overwhelmingly and elect myself, Maura Kabata, as the next 52nd president of the Law Society of Kenya.
Labda uchaguzi ni sawia na mchezo kwamba kuna kupata na kupotea. Hapo nyuma tunashuhudia kuna wale ambao wakishindwa labda wanaelekea mahakamani. Unawaambia vipi wapinzani wako sasa ili kutozuia ama kuweka vikwazo kwa viongozi ambao watakuja baadaye?
I am lucky enough to have been saved yesterday. There is someone who had filed a petition in court seeking to stop me from proceeding with the elections today. I am happy that the court struck out that application and the present petition. And in the going forward, there are mechanisms within the Law Society of Kenya to contest the results of this election. Personally, this is my first time to contest for the position of president. My other candidates, they have severally contested and they have lost. And whatever the outcome, this will be my last attempt, and I will accept the results with my whole heart. I will not be challenging the results because on one end, I will be voted overwhelmingly, but if that does not happen, then we will accept the results because the Law Society is greater than all of us.